Install smoke detectors based on a simple thumb rule so every sleeping area and every floor is covered for reliable life safety. Use the smoke detector quantity thumb rule of house construction to place one smoke detector inside each sleeping room, one in the corridor or area immediately outside sleeping rooms, and at least one on every floor, including basements and finished attics. For practical installation, position detectors on ceilings at least 4 inches from any wall and on walls between 4 inches and 12 inches from the ceiling. Avoid installing near windows, doors, or ducts that can push smoke away. Prefer hardwired units with battery backup when possible because they provide continuous power and, when interconnected, ensure every alarm sounds if one detects smoke. If hardwiring is not feasible, use long-life sealed 10-year battery units and test them monthly while replacing the entire detector after 10 years. For homes with fuel-burning appliances or attached garages, add carbon monoxide detectors adjacent to sleeping areas and on each floor with bedrooms mounted at typical breathing height or according to manufacturer guidance. When planning coverage for unusual layouts such as split levels or open stairwells, place detectors at the top of the stair and on each split-level landing so airflow will carry smoke to the nearest alarm quickly. Common mistakes include relying only on one detector for multiple bedrooms, which can leave occupants unprotected if the alarm is far from the source of smoke. So instead, follow the rule of one per sleeping room and one outside sleeping areas. Another issue is using old or expired detectors. Replace detectors every 10 years and sealed battery units at the end of their rated life to maintain sensitivity and avoid false confidence. A third frequent concern is placing detectors in the wrong spots, such as directly over kitchens or bathrooms where cooking smoke or steam causes nuisance alarms. Move detectors at least 10 feet from cooking appliances and use photoelectric technology near kitchens to reduce false alarms while preserving responsiveness to smoldering fires. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for installing and inspecting smoke and carbon monoxide detection systems, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for work. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, local code experiences, and practical life safety planning advice.